This is T-Dot City, man. Toronto, man. Fuck you haters in Toronto, man. Fuck you haters in New York City, man. For real shit, man. Listen, I always see they run with that shit, but they never really run with a clip. I see they try to help their fucking mama, and didn't end up help their fucking mama. What the fuck these niggas really on, dawg? What the fuck these niggas really on, dawg? They on nothing. They on stunting. Full glass. Yeah, I'm busting. 2 max hit your head. What you gonna do when you dead? What you gonna say to the law? What you gonna beg for your life, nigga? What you fucking ball? What you really fucking balling with? Shot calling with and hugging with. Niggas don't fucking really know. Yo, it's Bezo and that Crease hoe. Chop those down so we chipping those heads. Niggas don't know that I just run with the fans. Cause they give me licensed trappers, nigga. What the fuck you think I'm a fool? Fuck with the niggas that's rule. Fuck cocaine games. Fuck I don't play these niggas, don't play my blames. And if they take my money, dog, I chip on my shoulder, bust a clip in your face. Pussy, you better hold up. Run that shit and nigga bang grown stuff. Fuck that money and fucking money, hold up. It's all about the money. All about the managers, yeah, I gotta love it. Still I'm here. Still I'm here. Getting motherfucking hair. Yeah. Still I'm here. Still I'm here. Getting motherfucking hair. Yeah. Still I'm here. Still I'm here. Getting motherfucking hair. Yeah. Still I'm here. On the block with Pizzo. Nigga know that it's P. Money in my pound actually. When I get it, we rebound. Double up, then we break bread. Niggas wanna chop it to their heads. Then I sell it all to the feds. If they want the money back, dog, then they come to me and just give me all. Yeah, I'm on that skazy wops. Yeah, I'm on that skazy wops. Probably get locked, but I won't, dog. Probably get locked, but I won't, dog. Niggas wanna really hate, dog. Why they live in that shit like they great hogs? Nigga, you just a grain dog. Ground dog like more bob. Yeah, more hog, more bob. More barrow like more hogs. More grubs like more grubs. Niggas don't know I got the fifth with a kick with a fucking hole off. Yeah, the beam says really, yeah, it see you and it see you when it see you. Yeah, you know what I mean too. You don't know, but the greens do. Yeah, forever, man. Thai fan, man.
Thank you very much, bro. You're doing good.
Thai
Good
fan,
job.
man.
Thank you. God bless you.
Yeah, brother.
Друзья мои, если вы не поняли, это был накуренный негр, который читал рэп нам в Канаде. Значит, здесь я нашел очень интересное место. Сейчас я пришел сюда на разведку, чтобы не сойти с ума. Вот видите, культурный центр, можно сказать, клуб. И здесь есть очень много интересных развлечений, к которым я пытаюсь сегодня приобщиться. Ну, разумеется, какая Канада без хоккея. Вот. Слава богу, сейчас почти лето, поэтому нету никаких катков и хоккеев. Разве что на асфальте. Так, всем хороших выходных. Впереди много интересного. Вот такой у нас культурный центр в Канадушке. Не забывайте подписаться, кстати, и нажать на колокольчик, и сделать его черного цвета. Обязательно, обязательно. Поделиться роликом с друзьями, поставить лайк. Вот такая у нас Канадушка. Если кто не понял, вот у нас справа в верхнем углу канадский флаг. Всем спасибо за просмотр. Увидимся на краю света.